Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today I want to quickly show you how to design your thumbnail, your your video thumbnail on your phone. A lot of people ask me these questions. First, they ask me what is thumbnail. I did a video showing people what thumbnail really means. Now they're asking me how do you design your thumbnail with your phone, since most of the people asking that question does not have a computer, a laptop, or a desktop. So I told them it is possible with your phone. And because right now most of my thumbnails, actually I do some with my system, but most of the majority of my thumbnails are done using my phone. So if it's something that you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. Today I want to quickly show you how to design your thumbnail. If you are the type that is into making YouTube, or you are a beginner, I know most beginners have problem of thumbnail. I was like that when I started too. When I started some months back, I was like that. I used to see those thumbnails, but I don't actually know what it is, and I don't know how to go about it. But I want to tell you straight away that thumbnail will help your video to be found on YouTube. If you are creating videos and you are not putting thumbnails, then it will be very difficult for a lot of people to find your videos, because a lot of people find videos by searching on Google, and when they search on Google, they'll be confronted with a lot of videos, and the one that catches their attention is the one they are going to click and watch on. So if you don't have a thumbnail, there is that likely possibility that your video might not be watched. And to make money, to start making money on YouTube or start getting paid on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And if people are not watching your videos, then nobody will subscribe to your channel, and you need a lot of subscribers. So one of the things that will aid a lot of people to subscribe to your channel at the same time to watch your videos is thumbnail. So you have to learn how to design thumbnail. So today I will show you how to design your thumbnail with your phone. So starting away, the first thing to do is to go to Play Store. If you are using Android, go to Google Play Store, and if you are using iOS, then go to your App Store. Once you get there, just download these two apps. One app is okay. You can use Canva. You can use Canva. You can use Canva. Actually, Canva, there is a free version of Canva and there is a paid version. But the simple, the free one we do. But the thing to it is that you must be connected to the internet before you can use Canva. If you are not connected to the internet, you cannot use Canva. So the alternative one I use, that's why I have to. The alternative one I use is called Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. And I will show you. This is my Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. You can see it there. That is it. Then I will show you Canva. This is Canva. This is Canva. This is Canva. This is Canva. So I have Canva, at the same time I have Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. Ultimate Thumbnail Maker, actually you can use it without connecting to the internet. So I find this very handy. Whenever I am, either I have internet or not, sometimes I design my thumbnail, because most of the time I have my videos idea recorded. So I will design the thumbnail even before recording the videos. And I'm advising you to do the same. If you have your ideas lined out, you can still design your thumbnail. So let me just teach you briefly how to. I have the thumbnail, Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. I'll still show you the Canva. Just click on the thumbnail, Ultimate Thumbnail. Once you click on it, already I'm connected to the internet. But if you are not connected to the internet, you can still do this. So let me just create. Let me just create. If I click on thumbnail, yes, it will give me all this. So this is what I want to do. this is what I want to do. Thumbnail 80 by 720. So once I have that, I'll just click on it. So it's asking me to pick any of these backgrounds. It asks me to pick any of the backgrounds. So I can pick any of the backgrounds. It depends on what I want to do, or I can just use my my downloaded. I can download backgrounds from Google. All you need to do is go to Google, download some. Okay, let me just show you how to use this. Any of this background, you can use any of this background. Okay, let me just go. Let me go to business. If I see business there, I would rather use business. But if I don't see business, okay, let me just use this. Let me use this. Let me use this. Let me use this. You see what it will do. Let me use this. You can see. So it's asking me to crop. I can decide to crop this place. I can decide to do it like this. I can decide to do it like this. So it depends on what I want. I just click. Yes, it has edited. It will edit the photo for me. And all these are coming because it's free. It's a free version. So that is it. That is your background. You have this as your background. Then the next thing for you to do is just to go to the test. You can see the test here. Test. You can see the test. So click on the test. Just click on the test. Write what you want to write. Let me just say YouTube tutorial. YouTube tutorial. YouTube tutorial. I'll say hard. You can see already. So you can work with it. This is it. YouTube tutorial. You can make it as big as what you have. You can make it so big. YouTube tutorial. It's better to use bigger fonts so that it will be seen. People will be watching it on their phones as well as their system. So just make it big. Now you can make it bold. Just say B here. Just the B. This is the B. It means bold. The U here means underline. The I means italics. The A means to make it change from small letter to big letter. So I want to use the B. Just click on the B. You can see it is very big now. Now I want to change the color. Click on this color and space. You see color and space. That's what you're going to click. So click on color and space. If I click on this color and space, then you can see the color is already in black. I want to change it. That black is not suiting that place. Let me use white or let me use green. Yes, you can see the lemon green now. The lemon green is showing. I can still change the color. I can just pick on red. You can see it's also showing. So I can even add some effects. Anytime you want to do anything, just tap on the test. Add some effects. The effects, you can see effect. You can see effect. I can add. I might not leave it. I can leave it. Then I will still click on it. See, I can line space to make the line. Then letter space. You can see it's changing. So let me just click on this. Let me click on this. Then let me drag again to make it big. So you can see. So if I want to change anything, I'll still go to control. Once you go to control, you can see you can edit. That means if you don't want a YouTube tutorial, click on the edit. If you click on edit, I can change it. YouTube tutorial. Let me say new. That you know that is a new one. So you see. So it is whatever you want to change. And you are in the edit space. Control. That is where control. You can say show many things. You can change the thing, the board. You can change the size. Then you can also do the outline, like this outline. We can give that outline. You can give it this green so that it will come out. Now change the outline size. You can see there are so many things you can do. You can just use white. You can use white. Anyone that you feel that is okay. That's the black. But I would prefer white or yellow or green. Something that will come out from that thing. And you can see it depends on what you want. so I can just make it as big as I want, and already I have my this thing. So I don't really, that is just the simplest way. You don't really need any big deal, and if you are done, just click download, and that is it. I've already saved it. I can watch it later. I can watch it later. So I can watch it. That is it. You see, it is already done. I've already saved it. So let me let me do another one. Let me do another one. Let me just say create. Now I want to create some pictures I have in my phone. So it will still ask me the same thing. Thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail. Click on the thumbnail, and just go to the gallery. What you have on your phone. There are so many things that I downloaded from my phone. You see, there are so many photos here that I can use. So many ones. Let me see. Or let me just click on this. Click on create again. Place thumbnail. The gallery. Go to gallery. Get to gallery. Pick any of your pictures. I have many pictures. I have so many pictures that I have downloaded. How many pictures? Okay, this is one of the pictures I have just downloaded. This one. Let me just pick on this one. Let me pick on this one. You can see. All I need to do is just click the plus sign, and it's already. This is an advert. You don't, most times you don't need it, but you wait a house. So because you are using it for free. So this is what I have. So I can customize it and I can start putting text. Let me just say test. Test thumbnail. It depends on what you are working on. I'm just giving as an example. So I will add it. See, I have it already. So I can make it. I can say, okay, this is it. I can put it in the center. I can put it here. I can put it here. It depends on what I want. If I put it here, then I'll change the color. And you know what we did, color and space, color. Then I'll put yellow. You can see, or change to brighter yellow. You see, thumbnail. So I can go to control again and say bold. You can see it's very bold now. It's big. I have it big. So it's as simple as that. Then I can see add so many things. I can have stickers. There are stickers. But this is the functionality here is small. But you can add other image. You can still put some other image. Let's go to gallery. I'll put an image, one of my photos that I can put. It's asking me to pick. I'm picking from my photos. I pick one of my photos. I can pick one of my photos and just let me see. Okay, photos, and I'll pick one now. I want to pick a personal picture that I've worked on before. So I will just use it for. Okay, let me just pick this so that you see what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, you see what I'm see my picture here. See my picture. So I can still put the picture here now. I can put the picture here, and this is it. You can see my picture is at the back. Even the thumbnail is on top of me. And if I'm satisfied, I will just click download, and that's all. It's already downloaded, and that is what you have. So you can see it's so simple. I want to stop there. I don't want this video to be so long. I will have shown you how to use the Canva. I will show you that in another video immediately after this one. So don't forget, if you have not subscribed, just subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. You just see it in your phone directly that I have just uploaded another video. And if you are a returning G, you have subscribed before, click the like button and share this to so many people so that they can benefit from it. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.